the rain and the wind coming in. I want to take you up here to the boulevard here, to Bayshore Boulevard, because then you can kind of get the visual effect of the sheets of rain that are now pouring in. I'm reluctant to say that you have flooding now because you've got water on the road, but that's water on the road that's a result of the rain that's coming in. That's not the flooding that has the authorities out here fearful. The flooding that everyone's talking about is what's going to come from this storm surge ultimately on Monday. So we're looking at the wind event coming tonight. Later on, as the wind is increasing, the barometer has been dropping steadily out here. You can see the trees blowing around. By and large, people are respecting the curfew and they're staying home. I see a few people out still curious, wanting to play out in the weather. For the most part, people are afraid of this storm. They saw what happened out in Texas. They're taking the warning seriously, and they're in their houses. And I guess we're standing by to see what happens next, Bill.
Yeah, that's our first big gust right here in Orlando, so it's coming your way, Mike, as well. Listen, you saw in Texas, you saw in the Caribbean, and just being there in Tampa last night, that city was empty. And I mean, they really listened to city authorities when they came out and said, take this thing seriously, and I know you have found out the same too. So, Mike, thank you. We'll be back with you live in Tampa throughout the evening here. You've got a number of counties and cities, including Orlando, that have issued these curfews. Right now, there's one in effect right here, keeping people off the streets. But frankly, Orlando's been empty. John Mina is the chief of the Orlando Police Department. Sir, are you with me now, Chief?